face of it, the internet is basically something that you go to find out how to bake a cake, or what year something happened, or how octopuses reproduce. But from the filmmaking and photography point of view, it's actually the gateway to like this massive community of like-minded people. And if you're watching my channel and you've not heard of Sam Holland, then stop this video, go to his channel, watch his videos, and then come back. It's not just watch his videos, because he's here in the flesh. We've got this. That is the brand new 2021 BMW M4 Competition. So I guess I should probably say a massive thank you to Ocean BMW Plymouth for some reason trusting me with this car to take out and shoot some content with. And obviously that's why this man is here, because this is where it gets even more exciting than it already is.
Oh yeah.
He's got his hands on the Sony FX6. First impressions, go on.
Oh man, first impressions is I need / really want one of these things.
I'm excited. I mean, I'm always excited for this kind of thing, but seeing how this is going to look on that. Whew.
What happened then?
My foot just slipped down there. Yeah, so he's just getting the drone set up. I'm basically just the driver, I guess, and we're going to hopefully get some really cool shots of this awesome car going up and down. Yeah, another one? Yeah? Yeah, it's fine, yeah. I think I spent more time going backwards than I have forwards. How did that look?
Great. I got like a really... I didn't press record.
You're joking?
Not even joking.
I would kill myself on one of those, like instantly. Right, so there is method to the madness with the Onewheel, and that is we haven't got another driver or another car to get footage of this M4 actually driving along, so we're going to use the Onewheel. Makes sense, doesn't it?
And blast! Oh my God.
So if we start driving.
That is insane.
So if you want to see some real witchcraft, imagine you're driving down like a narrow country lane or something like that. You push this button here before you set off, reversing assistant, right? And let's just say we were coming around here and we're going to go around this tight corner, for example. And we go, oh no, there's a van. No worries. Just put it in reverse, take our hands off the steering wheel and just take our foot off the brake. And the car remembers where we've been and will steer us back exactly on the route that we just taken.
Amazing.
Not the best place to show you, but yeah, it's right. So yesterday we cut a little bit short. We just got so exhausted, so we're back for day 2. Weather is nowhere near as nice, but hopefully it'll clear up later. So yeah, gonna get the car cleaned, and today is gonna be a full day of shooting.
Now for the most exciting part of the vlog, Harry washing the car.
Can you do it in like super slow-mo? And I'll take my top off and I'll like dance all over the bonnet.
Yeah, we can do it again.
It looks better. It looks better than it did, I would say. But I think maybe my career as a car valeter hasn't quite taken off yet.
Only bad thing is, yeah, well, there's plenty of time to practice that. But
That's
the only
true.
bad thing is, I've run out of SD cards.
Oh,
I haven't run.
oh.
Imagine that. All the footage I've got is just you washing the car.
Washing my cars. I'm nervous for you.
I'm nervous for everybody.
Dragon, this is Nighthawk. You're receiving?
Dragon to Nighthawk, receiving, over.
These are just the best thing ever. Right, so our attempt at driving shots yesterday didn't work because although we had the Onewheel yesterday, we didn't have the FX6 on the gimbal, so it was all shaky and stuff like that. So now we got Sam with the FX6 on a gimbal on a Onewheel. It would have been easier just to find someone with another car and we could have just driven, and but where is the fun in that? Right, you ready?
Yeah.
So all I've got to do is drive like this.
A little bit quicker. And then blast.
This is, oh, this car, I want it. I want it so much. Oh.
Hey. I like that too.
Venice.
And then blast.
Oh, and now this car's coming the other way. Alright, I've turned around, I'm coming back. Nighthawk over and out. Nighthawk to Dragon, I said I've turned around, I'm on the way back. Over.
Oh, I only got the last bit, over.
Do you want to try it from the front then? Oh no, I can't boot it, can I? Because I'll run you over and that would be inconvenient.
What we could do is I could come past you on the Onewheel as you go this way.
Ah. I mean, we could have had that conversation through the window, but got walkie-talkies.
Dragon to Komodo leader.
Exactly what that is. I think I'm gonna have a go, and I think I'm gonna die.
Shall I explain first?
Please do.
Lean back to go back, and then you just sort of turn into the board whichever way you want it to go. So, but I would recommend, this isn't an electric fence, is it?
Bang!
I would recommend holding. Yeah.
Ooh.
There you go. He's on. He's doing it. So much fun. Best money ever spent.
Are they expensive?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grand.
Grand.
Look at that. Easy. Whoa. And we never saw him again. He's gone.
Right, are you ready? God, the concentration on my face.
You having fun?
I mean,
Look at this, look at his face.
this says it all. I am like, I can't explain how big the smile is on my face with this.
We'll do a visual.
Oh, what a day it's been so far. We're just scouting out the locations for golden hour this evening. It doesn't get better than that. In fact, it looks so good here. We're going to get some footage, because why not? Because we're here anyway. And then we'll go and get some food, let the sun get a bit lower, and then it's time for the hero shots. Does this location get your approval?
Yeah, 100%.
Good.
Like, you never know until you get there and test it out, because we got in and we thought, oh, I'm not sure, but then we just had a look through the camera lens and it looks better than what you think it did, so yes, it's approved.
That's good enough for me. I've never held so much money's worth of camera gear in my life.
The green of the car looks amazing on this GoPro.
We're just getting set up for golden hour. Genuinely cannot wait to see the shots that Sam's just got with this incredible sunset behind us. What I have seen in super flat log profile, as disgusting as footage can look, and even that looks incredible. So yeah, I think it's going to be genuinely mind-blowing. But I've got one more question for Sam. Can I have another go on your one wheel?
Yeah?
Yes!
Yeah, it's always a yeah.
I've never wanted one so much. Is it on? What could possibly go wrong?
That's a good shot.